This video presents declassified and licensed material of the Global Institute of Logic and Cybernetics.
Modern physics relies on quantum field theory and lambda CDM to describe the universe, but these models reach a mathematical breaking point at extreme scales. In these limits, the equations produce infinite, unresolvable values, divergences, that signal a failure in our current understanding of subatomic interactions and dark matter. Fractal Quantum Field Theory, or FQFT, provides a stable 14-dimensional replacement. It begins at the phi field, a state of absolute unity, and builds the universe using pi operators. These are the mathematical verbs of existence that generate spacetime without introducing the errors found in legacy models. Solving these terminal errors requires an architecture built from zero-entropy unity. FQFT is designed to replace failing consensus physics with a structurally closed 14-layer mathematical system. FQFT discards the speculative scalar fields typically used to explain cosmic inflation. Instead, the expansion of the universe is driven by five-dimensional Ramanujan harmonics, partition functions that describe the natural growth of complex structures. This map of temperature fluctuations in the cosmic microwave background serves as evidence. In the FQFT model, these density waves are not random. They are the physical signature of harmonic expansion occurring at the fifth-dimensional layer. To prevent these fluctuations from becoming unstable, the architecture applies six-dimensional zeta regularization. This is a process that assigns finite, usable values to infinite sums, physically stabilizing vacuum energy and preventing the energy spikes that cause standard models to fail. By combining harmonic expansion with zeta regularization, FQFT creates a universe where mathematical divergence is physically impossible. The result is a framework that remains stable from the moment of origin. At the ninth-dimensional layer, FQFT introduces Transcursive quantum physics, or TRK. This system moves away from traditional differential equations, which model continuous change, and replaces them with bounded recursion. Here, quantum evolution occurs in discrete, self-calculating steps. Each calculation is constrained by a geometric pattern that forces the system to remain within stable bounds. This process is physically limited by an omega halo, a mathematical boundary that prevents recursive loops from spiraling into infinite computational drift. This halo ensures that even at extreme scales, the structure of the system cannot collapse. This TRK omega kernel provides the specific mathematical architecture required for large-scale high-performance computing. By using bounded recursion as a foundation, quantum technology can scale without the system-wide instability currently hindering the field. At the 10th dimensional layer, every interaction is governed by a physical invariant, zeta pi theta equals 1. This is the ethical curvature tensor. It acts as a mathematical filter, requiring every operation within the system to maintain perfect symmetry. If an input creates a destructive asymmetry, such as a recursive loop designed for misuse or dual-use exploitation, the 10D layer physically rejects the operation. Because the math cannot resolve a violation of zeta pi theta equals 1, the architecture itself becomes a gatekeeper, hard-coding alignment into the laws of the system. This leads to the 11-dimensional Realica bridge, which addresses the wave function collapse problem. In standard physics, it is unclear how a quantum probability becomes a solid classical object. Measurement in FQFT is a direct physical projection. The act of observation locks the probability wave into a classical structure by grounding it in the 11th dimensional layer. By treating alignment and measurement as geometric constraints, FQFT removes them as software vulnerabilities. They are transformed into unbreakable laws of the physics architecture. FQFT is an executable architecture that maps directly to current GPU and CUDA models. CUDA is a parallel computing platform that allows the FQFT equations to run on standard high-performance hardware while maintaining their structural closure. All 14 layers eventually converge and seal into a single unified manifold known as geometric unity. This state ensures that the entire system, from the origin to the compute layer, operates within a self-stabilizing loop. Because this framework is compatible with existing CUDA kernels, it has moved from TRL1 to TRL3, from basic theory to active experimental proof. This transition provides a functional simulation engine for quantum interactions that legacy models cannot predict, establishing a clear technical advantage in deep physics and quantum-stable AI.